Hello, are you an e-commerce seller struggling to separate B2B and B2C transactions and map them state-wise? Don't worry anymore. Busy Recom has solution for this problem too. With Busy Recom, B2B and B2C transactions are automatically sorted, ensuring accurate state-wise sales compliance. Let's see how Busy Recom provides solution for B2B, B2C and state-wise sales. First of all, we will do some configurations in Busy. Under Sale Type Master, enable Sales through e-commerce portal option. Then specify the name of e-commerce portal and save this master. Similarly, do the same for Central Sale Type Master. Next, under Voucher Configuration, select the series created for B2B and B2C transactions for sales voucher. Enable separate billing shipping details and under GST report basis, select billing shipping details. Save this configuration. Repeat this process for both B2B and B2C series that we have created. Now, let's move to the Recom add-on. Go to the add-on menu and open Busy Recom. In the Recom dashboard, navigate to Administration, Order Configuration. Here, specify the series for B2C and B2B transactions along with the sale type where you have enabled e-commerce portal option. Now, save this configuration as well. Finally, download the orders from here and save them. Now, let's review GST reporting in Busy. Navigate to display GST reports, GST return, GST hour. Now specify the date range here. Here you can see that B2B transactions and B2C transactions are appearing under separate sections. If you open any of the section, you can see state-wise sales bifurcation. Furthermore, you will find supplies made through e-commerce portal listed in this section as well. Have you noticed how Busy Recom effortlessly simplifies GST compliance, ensuring precise separation and compliance with state-wise sales regulation? So, what are you waiting for? Call your nearest channel partner today or call us at 8282828282 and purchase Busy Recom now. For informational videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.